I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Congrats couple! Iyan na nga guys ang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media na kung saan alam naman natin na nagkaroon nga ng music video ang close-up na kung saan dito nga ang ating Donnie at Belle kasama si Felipe ay talaga namang nag-trending ang music video na ito. Pero ito na nga guys ang pag-uusapan natin.
For 100 million views and counting. It got so big that it even reached the national news, making this Close-Up's most successful campaign yet.
Kilig overload naman ang hatid sa fans ni Donnie Pangilinan at Belle Mariano sa music video nito.
It set a new standard with immersive fan-driven storytelling, all because we wanted to create a fresh interactive music video with the fans and for the fans.
Creativity and social activation, Close-Up's freshest music video. Oliver Philippines, Unilever Philippines.
Ayon nga sa mga bula, Don Belle Close-Up is truly the perfect match. Close-Up's precious MB campaign featuring Don Belle and Felipe won gold at the Kidlat Awards for creativity in social activation. It has over 100 million views and counting, making this Close-Up PH most successful campaign yet. Iyan na nga guys na kung saan ay wagi na naman ito ang ating couple. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating couple na sila Donnie at Belle.